Hi, in today's video, we're going to be going over how to install Terraform on your Windows machine. Now, in lieu of my last video on what infrastructure as code is, I'm going to keep following up on some tips on, those same ideals here and hopefully lead you on your journey to continue to use Terraform in your infrastructure as code journey. So to install it, it's very simple. Only thing you got to do is go to terraform.io. And one thing you can do is go to their download section here. Now it's going to obviously put you on the one that's specific to you. Now since we're doing Windows, I'm going to go ahead and download this AMD64. Now you're going to get a zip file here, so we're going to open that up. And let's see, once that opens. Okay, we're going to go in our downloads folder and let's look for that zip file. So here we go. So what you're going to do is then extract that. And let's see here where that's taken us. So we should have, this is the older one, that's the newer one. Okay, so then what you can do is take that exe, so you copy that, and what I would suggest is on your C drive somewhere or another drive that you're utilizing, make another folder, call it like Terraform. Mine's in my users folder, so I just have a folder called Terraform in here. And then just make another, like a bin folder, and then drop that exe inside of there. Then what we're going to do is then we're going to put that into our local path. What that's going to allow us to do is utilize the Terraform in the command line without having to specify the absolute path of where this exe sits. So you can go ahead and open up or go for your own Windows down there where it says type here to search, put in environment variables. And actually, let's just type in system. It's actually easier way. Just right click this PC, go to properties, and then advanced system settings. You should see environment variables here, and you should see this path section. I'm going to open that up, and we're going to add a path to that bin folder or the folder you have your exe set up at. So if it's a different drive, wherever, mine's user profile, Terraform bin. If it's D drive, users, or whatever, Terraform, make sure the path is to that folder. Then what we can do is we can test that by opening up a command prompt and typing terraform -help. And there you go. And that'll confirm that you have Terraform set up and ready to go. So once you get that set up, what you'll want to do also is to download your editor of choice. With that, I'm going to be doing some more videos on certain ways to write some Terraform code. So if you go into here, just go to Google. Easiest one I'm familiar with, Visual Studio Code. This here is free. A lot of people use it. I'd recommend it. Download that. And once you open it up, you want to go to extensions here and look for the HashiCorp Terraform extension. So you just up here, just go Terraform, and you should see this one. You want the one with the blue check mark because that's the verified one. So you might see some of these other ones. They're probably ones that could help with specific things, certain types of languages. Maybe they got some like cool features built in. But this is the one that I have installed. So basically make sure that's installed there. And then that way you can start writing code. And what it'll help with is basically like syntax highlighting, editing, like your spaces and editing, tab, like, your tab completion, stuff like that. And then on your Explorer page up here, you want to open up a folder. You want to make a new folder. in this folder, just make a new folder, call it terraform. So you can do, let's make a new folder here. We'll call it terraform let me tech you. Select folder, and we're going to trust the authors. And we won't get into actually writing the code in this video, but what you'll want to do in all of your basically the basic formatting that Terraform recommends is 3 files. You got your main.tf, and the tf is the Terraform extension. You got your variable.tf, which holds like your variables for various things, and then your outputs.tf. So those 3 files are three things you should build there to get you started. And then we'll start working inside these here in the next video. Again, if you have any questions in regards to this video, leave me a comment down below. Be sure to get back with you. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you next time.